blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? As you can already tell from the title, we're going to do a simple makeup. I'm already at work, but you don't know, I go up on the road, so I just spruce up a little bit to go up on the road. And yes, I watch SpongeBob, so I have already done my eyebrows off camera. That's just something simple, nothing much, just something simple and nice and subtle. So let's go. So I'm thinking about doing yellow for the eyes. I don't know it, but we'll see. I'm gonna do the face first before I do the eyes. So I already primed my face using the LA Girl primer. So I'm planning on doing the yellow for the eyes because I have a yellow blouse. Yeah. So yellow for the eyes. But first I'm going to do my foundation before I decide before I do the eyes. There's something simple, something subtle, nothing harsh and fussy.
That's the lamest idea I have ever heard.
Don't mind my SpongeBob playing in the background. No, not better go watch. I'm going to SpongeBob, so. Get him.
Who would pay 25 cents to blow bubbles? He also offers lessons for beginners. What could be more simple than blowing a stupid bubble? Here's your 25 cents. Watch and learn.
And then again, I'm not even put on much for my face because let me tell you something. I'm going in stab. I mean, I don't know if I held it, let loose, don't stab, but stab hot your blood, but stab. Guys, stab hotter than everywhere else. Everywhere else. Alright, so this wig is not a sponsored wig. I bought it for my birthday and I'm from AliExpress. Installed it on the weekend. Yeah. So I'm going to beat it for a while. Then I decide what I'm do with it next. All the advantage we have right now, we can drive when I stop. So I'm going to get easy for a while. What? Stop hot. So I'm going to use a little other LA Girl in FAWN. Just a little.
You said it's weird. See, it is all in the technique.
Yeah, technique. SpongeBob, you don't think I did that? You will work along with your help. Come on, it's in my jeans. It's your jeans. It's your jeans.
So I'm using like damp beauty blender, 6 down. Why? You better come back to the house.
Hello, my friends. You are looking at us. Genius.
When the Patrick phone, you never close up. Alright. I think I said one little tiny something to the nose, one little tiny something to the machine.
A sneaky mademoiselle for you, but to the inhabitants of the Ebony, a wonderful sneaky one for them.
What a great name. Hey, Sandy, look. I'm Sandy.
Hey, Sandy, who am I? Hello, SpongeBob. Could you keep it down? I'm trying to be boring.
SpongeBob. Here is one of your funny pepperoni hands because...
Hey, Sandy. Hey, SpongeBob.
Hey, Larry.
You guys want to go lift some weights?
Sure. Well, come on, SpongeBob.
Honey.
Give it a try, Sandy.
Alright, so I'm going to use my MAC chair, my MAC setting powder. I didn't say away from me.
Show them a little more weight.
That's what I'm going to do. And just set my highlighter here. Just a little, just a little. Press it to you. Ooh, press it in.
Yo, watch this. And now, with the addition of 2 and 2, MOCHA.
Alright, now for the eyes, I'm using my Neon Bright. My Beauty Treats. Bought this in Kingston because I just love the colors. I'm not going to different. Alright, so for my transition color, I'm going to use this. Either this or that. I don't know.
That was too funny. You are hilarious.
Hey, the funniest little sponge you ever saw?
Anybody up for some volleyball?
Incoming. Oops, I guess I ripped my pants again.
Once again, dude, you have split my sides.
Should just go with this color, you know.
Hey, Sandy.
It's something subtle and fussy. Should just go with this color, right? I'm gonna go with that color here.
I can use a hand here.
Hey guys, rip my pants.
You okay, SpongeBob? I guess so. Hey, can I rip my pants?
You still got it, dude. May I help you?
I'll take a banana split.
We don't have that.
It's okay. I already split my pants. Yes.
T.E. Anything else?
Triple. So that's Marihawa.
Alright. Alright, now say for the eyes, right? For the eyes, I'm going to use my liner right here. So this is my Just Color eyeliner. So it's waterproof. So try to continue using this anyways. I'm doing a wing liner.
Here comes Larry doing his trademark waving. There goes Sandy hanging 10 fingers, that is. There goes SpongeBob. Ripping it. Pants again. Hey, look! A cardboard box washed up on the beach. Holy fish face! It's a guy!
SpongeBob! Come closer. I need.
What do you need?
Taylor. Because I ripped my pants! Ah! That wasn't funny, SpongeBob. You don't have me worried sick.
So mascara. My Donna Lauren New York mascara.
Come on, SpongeBob, you're losing. Think, your mother's waiting. Let's see. Lifting weights, big laugh, frisbee in face, kills, surfing, knocks him dead, pretending to drown. No. Come on, think. I got it! Hey, everybody! Not ripped pants. There's rip. Ah! Ah! Someone call the police. There's a pant thing on the loose. Oh no. Everybody's gone. Even Sandy. She'd rather hang out with Larry. Oh no. No. We blew it, pants. What do you mean, we? No. I didn't have to be a fool to get Sandy's attention. Am I the biggest loser?
I can't see the bandana.
No, I am. I forgot to put on sunscreen. Ouch.
No, I am. I got sand in my buns. No, I'm the biggest loser on the beach. They buried me in the sand and forgot me.
What happened to you? I lost my best friend.
How?
When I ripped my pants. I thought that I had everybody on my side, but I went and blew it.
Alright, guys.
And now she won't
Now I'm going to set the face with my KLEAN Color Pro Sealer.
my pants.
The big lady came out just to put him down. SpongeBob turned into a clown. And no girl ever wants to dance with a fool who went dance.
Rip these pants.
I know I shouldn't move around, I shouldn't curse, but the pain feels so much worse. Cause winding up with no one is a lot less fun than a burn from the sun or setting your bones.
Alright, so today we're not going to highlight the dots. We're not actually dots them today. I'm going to do a simple highlight for the simple look. I'm using my elevator highlighter.
SpongeBob! Sandy! Your song is true. If you don't want to be my friend, just be yourself.
Oh, that was so righteous. Sign my pants.
Yeah, absolutely, buddy.
jellyfish are buzzing about making their jellyfish jelly.
Even though me I said this isn't bright, I'm lying.
Oh, what is happening here?
Look at
Look at
me.
this.
I'm a bit nose look. Alright, so for the lips, I'm going to use my CROWNPRO in Cocoa. It smells amazing, guys. It smells good. Alright, so and it's a lip gloss. And it's a tell the truth. It's a lip gloss. I'm gonna pay $1,200 for this. You can believe that? $1,200 now? $1,200. My bags. God knows my bags. Alright guys, so that's the finished look for this simple, subtle makeup. No. We just gotta go up on the road to go after. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to like, share, and comment. And subscribe. Mwah. Love you guys.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe